Good morning, student. Today's session we are discuss about periodic classification of elements, in which today topic types of concentration or separation of ore. Types of concentration or separation of ore. Already previous class we are discussing about what is ore, what is mineral. So we clearly know ore means just the maximum amount of metal, particular metal we can extract it. It is called ore, or we easily say particular metal contain large percentage. It is called ore. Okay, student. Here the types of concentration or separation of ore. The first one, the gravity separation. Mainly the types of concentration or separation of ore depends upon the nature of ore. All ores not possible to separated the same method or concentrated by same method. So we here discuss about the different methods. So here the first one, the gravity separation, in which the gravity separation we can easily separate the oxide ores. So this gravity separation only applied the oxide ores. Which one oxide ore? Now let us consider here hematite. Hematite is the oxide ore. So formula Fe2O thrice. This type of ore we can easily separate by gravity separation. Here this principle only depends the different denser, different density. The gangue and ore are the different density. So that's why this method we can follow here. Here just the first one, the gravity separation. Just the sloping earth, the ore is poured to sloping earth, then pass over the flow of water. The high density ore settle down. The lighter impurities are just flow with running water. So here we can easily concentrate the oxide ore. Why the oxide ore settle down under the water here? Just depends upon the density. The oxide ore, the high density, therefore easily settle down. Okay, student. Next we are going to discuss about magnetic separation. This magnetic separation, just the ore magnetic properties ore we can easily separated by this method. Here we can first of all discuss about the which one magnetic property, which ore is magnetic property. Now let us consider tin stone. The formula SnO2. This tin stone have magnetic property. That's why the tin stone we can easily separated by this method. Here just present the two metallic wheels, in which one magnetic, another one non-magnetic. When the finely ground ore is passed through the rotating belt, here contain the belt, just passed here ground ore. Here the two wheels are rotating. The just magnetic property containing ore is attracted by this wheel. Why here attracted by this wheel? This wheel is the magnetic roller. So magnetic roller means the magnetic nature. Therefore this magnetic nature containing wheel is attracted the magnetic property containing particles. So this magnetic property containing particle is settle down or fall here nearest to the magnetic roller. Otherwise the non-magnetic particles are fall away from the magnetic roller. So this way we can easily separate the magnetic property containing ore. Which one magnetic property containing ore? The tin stone. Tin stone is best example for the magnetic property containing ore. Okay, student. Then we can discuss about the Froth flotation process. Here this Froth flotation process only suitable for the sulfide ore. Why the sulfide ore separated by or concentrated by Froth flotation process? The sulfide ore is the weightless. So here now let us consider the large tank. This tank contain water and oil. Just the water and oil, just the compressed air passes through this tank when form the froth of air. Why the form froth of air? Just the fine oil, the just attracted with the water. Just here, two are separated. Which two are separated? The gangue particles are separated from ore. Thus the ore is attracted by this wetted oil. The wetted oil is attracted by the lighter weight containing sulfide ore. This sulfide ore here just froth the surface of water. Why here sulfide ore just froth of surface of water here? Just the sulfide ore is a lighter weight. That's why the lighter weight ore is a froth on surface of water with wetted oil. Then the high density containing the gangue particles are settled down. Already here just we are noted the sulfide ore. Where is sulfide ore here present? Just upper level. Then water containing fine oil. The reason for added here fine oil, the water and the fine oil mixing when compressed air, the form of froth. Just this froth is wetted. The lighter weight sulfide ore is attracted by wetted oil. So this wetted oil is they flow through the upper level. So that's way the sulfide ore, lighter weight sulfide ore is froth on a surface of water. The gangue particles are settled down. Why here gangue particles are settled down here? Because it is compared with the sulfide ore, it is high density. That's why here settle down under the water. So the best example for here zinc sulfide. The zinc sulfide is called the zinc blend. What is here zinc blend? Zinc blend is one of the best ore or important ore to zinc. So here we used by this method the concentration or separation of zinc blend by this method. Okay student, then next one we are discussing about the chemical methods. They already first one gravity separation, then magnetic separation, third one froth flotation process, fourth one the chemical methods, or otherwise it is called leaching process. Here the particular ore is dissolved with a suitable solvent or suitable reagent. The ore is completely dissolved when the other gangue particles or impurities are does not dissolved in particular solvent. So that's why this type of leaching method, the particular ore dissolved in particular or suitable solvent or suitable reagent. Then the particular ore is completely dissolved in particular reagent, we can easily separate by filtration method. The further the filtrate is treated with a particular reagent, then converted to precipitate. That's why now let us consider the best example for the bauxite. Here already we know the bauxite means the Al2O thrice 2H2O. This it is precipitated obtained by this method. So the bauxite is purified or concentrated. The bauxite already we know the bauxite one of the important ore of aluminium. This bauxite is easily concentrated or separated by leaching. Leaching method means this chemical method. So these are all things are very important. Questions may arise the individual. What is gravity separation or otherwise called the magnetic separation? Explain. Important, already asked this question. Explain the magnetic separation. We must draw the diagram neatly because this question asks the 5-mark question. The diagram important. The individual mark allowed to the particular mark in diagram. So important. Otherwise, in which we must concentrate the important ores or suppose the hematite, the Fe2O thrice. The hematite which is depends upon the concentration, which type of concentration or which type of method it is purified or concentrated. Question asked, it is gravity separation. Then tinstone separated by magnetic separation. Zinc blend. Zinc blend means certain, yes, it is separated by froth flotation process. Then bauxite. Bauxite separated by leaching process. So here all things are very important. So you must concentrate The individual, suppose you read these questions, you must practice in your rough note, because this diagram with force is important to our mark wise. So concentrate student. The next class we are discuss about the next things. Thank you.